was the festive time. You're looking out for me. Which way to the bathroom? Hear me out.
Guys, welcome back to the Nelsons. Not enough Nelsons. I know you know us. Please subscribe because we're only going to be doing shorts for the rest of our life. So we're going to show you all the pictures on our fridge and let's see which one you guys like better, okay? Number 1, the one I drew. Of course, I drew all of them. This one. Number 2, this one I drew too. Number 3, my stuffed animal Dalmatian. Your battle's at the back. Number 4, this one. The last one, number 5. Kitty, oh, I drew it too. See you guys in the next Not Enough Nelsons video. Bye, please remember us.